Mounting Dream Tilt TV Wall Mount Bracket for most 37 to 70 inches TVs. TV mount with VESA up to 600 x 400 mm, fit 16. Patented design TV mount. TV wall mounts fit most 37 to 70 up to 132 pounds with max VESA 600 x 400 mm. Images on left side will help you check VESA, TV weight, wood studs spacing and possible blocked input. Not perfect. You can check other Mounting Dream TV mounts for an ideal match. Patent number 29639, 502. Saves space, low profile TV wall mount. Place your TV close to wall 1. 5 flush profile. This TV mount saving space greatly with stylish appearance. Reduce glare. Tilt your TV forward up to 8 degrees to reduce glare for better viewing. Easy to install, 3-step easy installation TV mount with decent instruction. Wall mounts can be taken off for easy installation by one person. Comes with a 6 feet. Hdmi, torpedo level and cable ties for cable management. Concrete anchors available on request. All our TV mount are not for drywall alone installation. World-class customer service. Our US-based customer service experts are available every day of the week to help, backed up by our leading 10-year newest model with sliding feature. Please go to us in B07F9VYT5G. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.